Hey, how you doing? It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you could join me today on YouTube. My name is Deshawn and you're watching Distinctively Deshawn. Today is an entryway refresh and I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. In today's video, I will be doing an entryway refresh. I'm starting at the top of my stairs, guys, by washing my walls. Washing your walls and ceilings is something that you should incorporate in your cleaning every once in a while. Because I dust from top to bottom, this is my first course of action. I'm wearing a mask because my allergies act up so bad when I dust sometimes, and they were acting up really bad this day. I hope you all are doing well. To my returning viewers, thank you for joining me again today, guys. I appreciate you. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Don't be a stranger. My name is Deshawn and I do videos on cleaning, motivation, inspiration, home decor, you name it. Whatever God puts in my heart, that's what I do. To my new subbies, welcome to the family. Thank you so much for subscribing. I am using my wet mop to get the job done. This is actually a wet and dry mop. You can put either cloth on it, but I always dust with a wet cloth. I just feel like it captures more dust, whether I'm using something like this or just a microfiber rag. But this is amazing. It has amazing reach and it is extremely flexible. So if you are looking for something new to use to clean your walls, get yourself a wet mop if you don't already have one. Now you may have to change your cloth depending on how dirty your walls are, especially if your cloth dries out on you. But mine wasn't too bad that day, so I didn't have to change it for the stairwell. Areas like these, and especially around the tops of doors and in the corners, is where you find a lot of spiders and their webs if you do not clean your walls. My white walls stay white because I wash them. So a good friend of mine who's extremely supportive of me watched my first video and asked me why I started a channel doing cleaning. And there are several answers to that question. One, because I was led to by God, not something I was particularly interested in doing, but I am interested in being obedient. I figured I would take this opportunity to answer his question in a more distinctive, personal way. Hopefully through this level of transparency, this will give you all an understanding of why I'm doing what I'm doing. You must know where someone has been to understand where they are and appreciate where they're going if they're headed in the right direction. Have you ever felt as though your whole world was tumbling down? No sense of hope around? Seemed like a way out was nowhere to be found? Have you ever had a bad attitude from an overwhelming reception of tragic news? Said to yourself, if only they knew what it was like to walk in my shoes? Have you ever lived through the winter in a house with no heat, temperatures so cold you couldn't even sleep? Felt colder in your house than it was on the street? And to make matters worse, there was no food to eat? Have you ever been on a system and the first rolls around, it's time to collect? So you creep to the bank to cash the check, getting help, acting like everything's everything. Don't want folk to suspect you're on welfare. Bad enough, the bank tellers stare. Don't want the same treatment from the people in line, so you come prepared with the check already signed. Have you ever? Have you ever lived in a house full of bugs? Had people on your block constantly selling drugs? Young girls in your neighborhood chasing after thugs? Parents and grandparents partying and going out the clubs? Have you ever? Have you ever found yourself always crying broke, but somehow managing to find the money to buy your drink or smoke or coke or dope? Basically, whatever floats your boat, so you can feel the effect it gives off, supporting your habit and trying to escape the pain at any and every cost, not consciously aware of the substance wasted, the substance lost. Have you ever been cheated on by a woman or a man, was faithful to that person and couldn't understand why they played you in the relationship as if it were a game, devastated to find out that their feelings for you just weren't the same as the feelings you had for them? Have you ever? Have you ever been so in debt it seems like everybody and their mama keeps calling you trying to collect money that you owe them? You find yourself in such a financial mess, you have to ask God to help you not to be overwhelmed and stressed. Have you ever been a single mom or a single dad? Thought to yourself, these kids I wish I never had. Got caught in an era where it seemed like having babies was a fad. Can't get along with who you chose to have them with. Now you're frustrated and mad. Facing many days, feeling tired, lonely, and sad. Have you ever found yourself spiritually in the wrong place? Realizing the purpose and will of God you no longer chase? Feeling like life is such a waste because you can't understand why you are no longer in the race? The truth of the matter you struggle to face? I have. God has truly brought me a mighty long way. Y'all got a really good deal on this stone from the Habitat for Humanity. And so even though this is a high traffic area, I tolerate all of the dirt and me having to clean it so often because it's so light. Just because I got a good deal. If you're enjoying this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Again, if you are watching every week and have yet to subscribe, come on and join the family. Listen, y'all, it's free. I always go back and use my dust mop in this area after sweeping, just because there's always particles of dust that's still left over, and this thing just does a great job of taking care of that. As you'll see after I get done, there's still dirt left on the floor, believe it or not. But with this, I am confident that it has done its job. If y'all need to do some cleaning, I hope you're getting some motivation from watching me. Let's get it. Let's go. This is one of those floors that needs a good old school clean, y'all. I gotta get on my hands and knees and pull out the bucket and mop just because of those hard to reach areas and those stains that are stubborn. I only submerge my mop in the bucket twice during the process, once at the start of mopping and once in the middle, only because I don't like to transfer the dirt. I purchased these little stair carpets from Amazon. Guys, they are a lifesaver. Like, they keep toots from slipping and sliding up and down these stairs, okay? I got a pack of 15. I believe they come in different colors and they are reasonable. We have come to the conclusion of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, ciao.